Welcome to Ocean Shores, people. I'm just barely in the wind and it's rocking the car like crazy. Whoa! Oh my goodness! Woo! Oh my good, okay. This is the most craziest video I've ever taken. Storm chasing. Of course, well, this is only my third storm chase, but still. Wow, it's just rocking that car. Let's see what happens when I take the emergency brake off. Nothing. I thought maybe it'd move me. Wait, what? What's if I get it? Oh, I stalled it. It doesn't really stay going. Wow. Oh, I forgot about that thing. We're taking the measurements. Look at those waves out there. It's now started raining like a maniac. Oh, here comes the big one. It's like I'm driving down the highway at 50 miles an hour. Whoa! Windshield wipers are on full. Oh my goodness, I can barely even see it. Look at it. Oh my goodness. Wow. The gust up to 55 expected. Long Beach up to 70, I believe. I might head down there and see what's up down there. Because they've already intercepted down here. Just to see, I mean, like it's a 20-minute drive. Go see what happens. Oh, here goes a wind gust. Woo! Man, the weather intercepting vehicle is actually intercepting. Woo! Golly, like everything's just covered in sand. Every little nook and cranny, there's sand on the mirror. Oh my goodness! Best vlog ever! Woo! Whoa, that looked like a hurricane right there. Woo!